Hi, welcome to R2 Diagnostic. I'm gonna demonstrate today how the Ghost immobiliser system works in one of the new Range Rover Vogue. I just installed this system a couple minutes ago. So we're getting inside the vehicle. This is keyless entry, of course. I've got a key in my pocket. So the Ghost is active at the moment. We didn't put any pin code. Start the car. Car is starting, but we've got no gear selector active, so we can't select any gear. Obviously we can't drive. We switch this function for the customer. We also can switch the engine stall instead, but this is much nicer for me anyway, that's what I think. So now what we're gonna do, switch ignition back off, wait a couple seconds, switch ignition on, put a pin code which is only set for video issue. Ghost is confirming pin code and it's inactive, so gear select is back to life. We start the car and we can drive. So if you need one of these system fitted to your vehicle, because those Range Rover are very high risk of nicked, especially for new system extending signal from your key. They won't be able to take your vehicle anymore if they don't know the pin code. Pin code can be changed by the customer, whichever is required, number of presses, buttons on the steering wheel or other in the vehicle, and that's it. It's not very difficult to use. Thank you for watching R2 Diagnostic. Have a good day.